used to play. Oh, we all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. Hey Loog Nation, it's Mr. Will with another exciting lesson. That was the easiest part of the song Yellow Submarine, which we're going to learn today. Right now, get ready. We're going to learn the chords, the strumming, the count. It's a fairly easy song, and I want to shout out to my community. Yes, thank you so much. One of you, my awesome Loog Nation community members, said, hey, I want to learn this song. So here we are. It's on the list. It was in the queue. Let's do this. Me and you. Ready? Let's go. Hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I love creating lessons for the Loog guitar so that you know that you can pick up this guitar and play real songs because this is a real instrument. Check out my full channel for reviews and music lessons along with song lessons. Please become a part of this community. It's ever growing, and I'm so appreciative of all of you. Thank you so much for being here. So the chorus is easy. We have a G and a D. And if that's as far as you want to go, fantastic. Lesson's over. Those are your two chords. We all live in a yellow submarine. It's pretty easy, and I love this song because you can kind of just strum and sing. We all live in a yellow submarine. That's a very easy way of doing this song. Now, we have the verse, and there's a lot of stuff online showing complicated chord progressions, a little more moderate chord progressions, and some fairly easy chord progressions. I tried to find something right down the middle that has the change that we're all listening for if you know and love the Beatles, and the ease of being able to play it on the Loog. So let's go through the progression of the chords. Ready? If you haven't before, check out some other lessons about chord shapes, chords, how to use your flashcards. All of that is available here on the channel. I'm going to dive right into it. Cool, let's go. Let's say it with me like a rhyme. We're going to go G, D, C, G. G, D, C, G. That's the first line. G, D, C, G. Do that again. G, D, C, G. So, in a town where I was born. Notice that it's just using a nice chord progression to move through the lyrics. I love playing the song with just one strum, by the way. The second line is E minor, A minor, C, D. 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 Whoa. E minor, A minor, C, D. That happens a lot. I squeeze too hard and I pull it out of tune. Okay, our first line, do you remember it? G, D, C, G. G, D, C, G. G, D, C, G. And the second line is E minor, A minor, C, D. E minor, A minor, C, D. Let's put that together. G, D, C, G. E minor, A minor, C, D. G, D, C, G. E minor, A minor, C, D. G, D, C, G. E minor, A minor, 3, C, D, 2, 3, G, D, 2, 3, C, G, 2, 3, E minor, A minor, 2, 3, C, D, 2, 3. There you go. And as I was moving through that, you saw I was getting to the count, right? And honestly, I think the song is so kid-friendly and fun. It's nice to kind of keep it very simple without having to worry about extra strumming. Of course, you can always add more strumming if you want to. And I would add all quarter notes or maybe a dot, 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 dot. All right, maybe something like... that works too. But keeping it simple on this song, I think makes it sound better, especially on the Loog and for newer players. Okay, that's your verse. And that's a lot of the song. So, if you need to, pause, go back, play this section over and over again, get your chord changes down. This is a perfect song for learning chord changes. I love that. Then we get to the chorus, the G and the D. C, G, good job. E minor, A minor, E, D, great job. And the band begins to play. Oh, we all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. Guys, have fun with your count and your strumming like I just did. Come back to this video, learn it, enjoy it, see how fast and easy it can be. The biggest challenge is getting your chord changes down. And this song teaches that by playing it the way I just showed you. All right, hey, if you guys need anything else from me, another song, I'd love to know in the comments below. What's another song that you want to learn? Man, that was fun. That was easy. Have a great weekend. Have a good time playing this song. It's probably not the weekend when you're watching this, but that's all right. It's a weekend for me. All right, guys. Be well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.